Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Titans University. Who wouldn't want to save little time? Especially in the age of automation, and we are in 2021 where everything is getting automated. Well, not everything, but a lot of things that could be automated are getting automated, which reduces a lot of, and this results in a lot of redundant tasks going away where you don't have to do everything by yourselves and you can automate little things which could save you a lot of time. Not just time, it could also save you a lot of hassle when it comes to executing these tasks seamlessly. And however strange it may sound, you can also automate a lot of things when it comes to when it comes to Google Ads. This discussion will only talk about partial automation with respect to Google Ads, how you can automate something very native to the account, which means from within the account, excluding the external automation or scripts. We're not talking about those things. We're only talking about a few things that you can automate very well, very much within your AdWords account itself. So let's get started without any delay. So let me sign into my Google Ads account. Now this is my Google Ads account, and as soon as you log in, we have seen certain things that appear right below the graph under your campaigns or ad groups or keywords tab, right? So let me quickly show you what I mean. So if you click on your campaigns, and this is where you see the graph of how your ads have been performing. Now here is where you will see the list of campaigns. Now there's a tiny column here, there's a tiny row here that I would want you to focus upon without missing this, because this is where a lot of specialized tasks can be performed from. Now you can search anything within the campaign from this search option. You can segment your campaigns based upon a lot of things, whether it's time that you would want to segment it according to, or devices, or the type of campaigns, or the kind of traffic you're getting from. You can conversions, of course, conversions, and you can classify your data based upon these filters known as segments. Now that's not what we're talking about, but I'm just giving you an overview of what we have here. Columns is when it comes to customizing columns in your layout. If you want to add or remove any columns when performing the account analysis, that can be done here. Reports, of course, it doesn't need to be explained. Then this is where you can download your data. This is where you can expand your view. And then there is something called as more, which I urge you to click on. Now when you do this, paste option, which is when you copy something, you can always come here and paste it. Now there is something which is called as automated rules, which is very much within the account, and it's available at all stages. Let me explain what I mean. So when you go to KetoWorks as an ad, the ad group level, click on this, you will see an automated rule. Go to keywords, let's go to your search keywords, and you'll also see it here. So basically you have an automated rule option at each of these stages. So let's start at the campaign level. So let's go back to the campaign level. Let's go all campaigns, click on my campaigns, come to my KetoWorks campaign. Let's see what kind of automated rules that I can run from within the Google Ads. Now you can name your this thing anything. Let's name it as a campaign rule. Campaign rule. Okay, owner, the owner of the account. Then what is the action that you would want to perform? Enable the ad groups, pause the ad groups, change all ad group bits, and send email. Right? You can choose any of these actions, and you have to define when do you have want these actions to be executed. Let's say if I want to enable ad groups, I want to enable ad groups, apply to all ad groups in the selected accounts, and when do I want it to be activated, enabled? When I want it to be enabled for, of course, I want it to be enabled for the campaigns which are not enabled yet, right? And when do I want it? Every day I want my ad groups to be enabled at a certain time, right? Daily, weekly, whatever. And then email the results, and then you can save this rule. So this is a very straightforward, pretty basic rule. Now the actions that you can perform are these. You can change your ad group bits, for example. Now enable and pause is very cosmetic. I mean there is nothing much that you can learn from these. So let's look at what change ad group bits mean. Make changes to your default maximum CPC bits, and you can either change your bits to a specific amount. Let's say from 20 I can make it 50, or I can increase it by a percentage, or I can increase it by an amount. So I want to increase my bids by 10 rupees, and the maximum limit should not cross 60, and I want to apply it to all the ad groups in the campaign. And when do I want to do it? I want to do it daily, monthly, weekly, or whenever, or using data from, using the data from all time, using the existing data. Every day increase my bids at 2:30 p.m. This is a good interesting rule if you want. Or if you're talking about how Amazon wants to increase their bids during the weekends, you can do this, right? But think about it. There has to be a counter rule for this. If you don't have a counter rule, you're going to lose out. Let me explain. You will increase the bid 10 rupees, let's say every week on a Saturday, right? Let's say at 8 a.m. or 6 a.m. for that matter, right? So my bid is 10, assume my bid is 30 rupees now. So every Saturday I increase it to by 10 rupees, which means this Saturday my bid has become 40. This is an automated rule, it is not manually controlled. By next weekend it becomes 40. So it constantly increases until you hit 60 because I've set a maximum limit of 60. If you want to avoid this, there is something that you have to do. Either make your upper limit 30 so that it doesn't get beyond that, or you have to write a counter rule where you reduce the bid on Monday. Because if you don't do it, every Saturday your bid gets increased, but it will continue throughout the week from the following Monday. So every increase in bid that you also have to write a counter rule for decreasing the bid. That's something that you have to keep in mind, because I have gotten into a lot of problems in the past when I was a beginner, when I did not write a counter rule. So that's something for you to remember. So these are the kind of rules that you can run from your campaign level, right? So let's switch to the ad group level. So let's say this is my ad group level. Let's see what kind of rules can I run at my ad group level. So create an automated rule and action. Enable keywords, pause keywords, change keyword bids. Now at campaign level, I was able to make changes to the ad group bids, but at the ad group level, I should be able to make keyword bids, right? I can make these changes. I can send an email, whatever. Change keyword final URLs, enable keywords, pause keywords based upon my requirements, right? Now let's also look at what can be done at the keyword level. So now this is the keyword level. So click on this, create an automated rule, right? Enable keywords. So let's go back to your ad group level. So this is my ad groups. Okay, let's go to my ad groups. At the ad group level, let's see what rules can I run. So when I say create an automated rule, I can enable ad groups, pause ad groups. This is something that we have seen. This is not much different from what we have seen. But if you go to the keyword level, let's go to keywords, right? And then from here, I can make specific changes to my keywords. I can enable keywords, pause keywords, increase the bids for my keywords, change the URLs and send an email, and I can apply it to everything. Now this is something which you have to remember, because automatically you can increase your bids and decrease your bids based upon whatever is performing, whether it's performing well or not, right? Now let's say I would want to increase my keyword bids, right? I can increase it by a certain percentage or amount, reduce it by a certain amount or percentage. I can set a new bid straight away, or I can raise bids to the first page CPC and top of the page CPC. So these are some things. So these are some modifications that I can do. I can apply it to keyword in all campaigns, in the entire campaign or ad groups. I can also look at keywords. So all the keywords or some keywords or whatever filters that you would want to add, right? When do you want to do it? At certain time, per day, per week, per month, etc. So these are some automated rules that you can automatically get running from your AdWords account itself. So these are certain things that you can execute from your Google Ads account itself. Remember, when you run a rule, you have to also come up with a counter rule, else you will face a lot of issue, right? Now let's look at the campaigns. Now create an automated rule. These are the options that I have. Enable campaigns, pause campaigns, change budgets. Now this is something that I wanted to tell you. So let's go over this again. But if you go to the campaign level, I'm at the campaign level. If I go to my more and if I click on automated rules, so far we have only looked at enabling ad groups, pausing ad groups, enabling keywords, pausing keywords, increasing the bids of keywords, increasing the bids of ad groups. But what do I do if I want to change the budget? So what do is I think about it for a second. Budget is applicable to a campaign. It's not applicable to ad groups or keywords. So I have to navigate to the campaigns section, which means let me show it to you again. Let's go to campaigns. At the campaign level, click on this option, create an automated rule. Look at what the actions are available, which is enable campaigns, pause campaigns, change budgets. Now this is where I change the budgets, filter by daily budget, right? And set new budget or increase budget or decrease budget. Increase budget, you can increase it by a percentage. On Saturday, Sunday, I want to increase my budget by, let's say, 50%, right? And again, you will have to remember to write a counter rule to reduce your budget by Monday, otherwise it will keep continuing until the next Saturday, right? Now, these are certain things that you can do from within your account. So this is at the campaign level. So go to the ad group level. From the ad group level, you can enable ad groups, pause ad groups, you can change ad group bids, or you can send some emails. Emails, when I say, let's see what happens when I send an email. I want to send an email, right? When do you want to send it? Every day at, let's say, every day 6 o'clock, I want to send an ad group report to my email or to my team members. I can do that through the email option. And at the keyword level, if you look at it at the keyword level, you can go ahead and start creating automated rules based upon pausing ad groups, enabling ad groups, changing ad group bids, changing URLs, and sending emails. So this is pretty much about creating automated rules when you're working with Google Ads. Thank you so much for being patient. I will see you again in another session with a lot of interesting things. Thank you so much. My name is Casey.